How to fix Instagram couldn't rephrase feed problem. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you're facing the problem like your Instagram feed is not being rephrased, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on that and then go to the I like option on the top. After you proceed to the I like option, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on notification and then enable allow the notification and allow sound and vibration. You can go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification phone, and photos and videos. Again, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again. Now after going back, you have to go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if you see the option of Instagram out there, you have to update your Instagram from there. And after you update your Instagram, you can just open it and you can see that your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.